Welcome back to IFART India 2025. We are covering Influencer Bites. We have with us Angita Thomas from the Better India. Welcome.
Hi.
So this is day one, and my first question to you is that how has been your experience with IFART India 2025 on day one?
It's great actually. It's so nice to see so many people with common goal come together,
Yes.
because conversations about sustainability, conversations about innovations in sustainability is very important for the kind of work or the kind of India we imagine in future, right?
Yes.
So I feel it's so nice to see so many people driving this change that we are hoping, because it's our goal, it's our commitment, our net zero commitment that we are trying to achieve. So it's nice to see all people from different, centers, industries coming together under one roof. So yeah, it's been nice. So I'm glad I got to see all of
Experience this.
Yeah.
So as a collaborator with IFART India, how has been your experience this year?
It's been good because this is what Better India stands for. Better India is very pro conversations that work towards sustainability. This is the goal. This is the ultimate aim, right? That people start talking about it. So as a collaborator, Better India is glad that we got to be a partner here, and we got to be a part of the voice that that is changing. In fact, India is trying to do. So yeah, it's been a very pleasurable experience.
So tell us about your future plans with IFART India.
Let's see if Art India is in plans to go bigger with this, and as the collaboration grows, all of these industries that are working here, all of these and the Better India, we share the voice, right? So as the program grows, our association, our partnership should grow with it,
Right.
because it's important. It's a sustainability, or all of this is very important conversation.
Yes.
And the more you talk about it, and the more people that associate with it, it will become something that's it should be something that you talk over dinner table.
Yes.
Right. And for that, it needs to reach the right audience. It needs to reach a wider audience.
Yes.
So yeah, that is the plan.
So the Better India, since they keep telling stories about Better India, IFART India becoming associated with this voice is a great combination.
Yes.
Thank you for coming here and hope to see you on day 2.
Thank you for having us.